Oak Island. The name itself conjures images of pirate treasure and ancient secrets. For centuries, this small island off the coast of Nova Scotia has beckoned treasure hunters and historians alike, all drawn by the same enduring mystery: what lies buried beneath Oak Island's surface. The legend of Oak Island is a tale as old as time itself. It speaks of a curse laid upon the island by those who sought to protect its hidden riches, a curse that has claimed the lives of several individuals who dared to unravel its secrets. Over the years, numerous attempts have been made to unearth the truth, each expedition adding another layer to the island's intricate tapestry of mystery. Today, a new generation of explorers, armed with cutting-edge technology and unwavering determination, are hot on the trail of Oak Island's secrets. The Fellowship of the Dig, a team of experts from various fields, are leading the charge. Their latest discoveries are rewriting the history books and bringing us closer than ever to unlocking the island's enigma. And as the Fellowship delves deeper into the island's enigmatic past, one thing is certain: the truth, whatever it may be, is out there, waiting to be discovered. The latest chapter in the Oak Island saga unfolds on Lot 5. This area, located on the island's western side, has become a focal point for the Fellowship. It was here that they unearthed a series of artifacts that sent shockwaves through the world of archaeology. Among the most intriguing finds were an iron spike and a lead trade weight. The iron spike, corroded by time but still holding its shape, points to a period of early European activity on the island. Its presence raises more questions than answers. Could this be evidence of the Knights Templar, rumored to have visited Oak Island centuries ago? The lead trade weight, adorned with intricate markings, provides another tantalizing clue. Its design suggests a connection to medieval Europe, further fueling speculation about the island's pre-Columbian visitors. These artifacts, though small in size, speak volumes about Oak Island's rich and mysterious past. The discoveries on Lot 5 have only deepened the mystery of Oak Island, pushing the Fellowship to dig deeper and uncover the truth. As the Fellowship continues to piece together the puzzle of Oak Island, a new and even more audacious theory has emerged. Could the island be the final resting place of one of history's most sought-after religious relics, the Ark of the Covenant? The theory, while controversial, is not without merit. The Oak Island mystery is replete with symbolism and coded messages, many of which seem to point towards a religious connection. Some researchers believe that the island's original excavators were not searching for mere treasure, but for something far more significant, a religious artifact of immense power and importance. The Ark of the Covenant, if indeed hidden on Oak Island, would represent a find of unprecedented historical and religious significance. However, the theory remains highly speculative, and much more evidence is needed to substantiate it. The Fellowship, while intrigued by the possibility, remains focused on following the evidence wherever it may lead. The search for answers on Oak Island has led the Fellowship across the Atlantic to the windswept shores of Iceland. Here, amidst ancient sagas and Viking lore, they hope to find clues that will unlock the secrets of their North American counterparts. Iceland, with its rich history of exploration and seafaring, holds a unique key to understanding the potential connections between the Vikings and Oak Island. The Fellowship's journey takes them to the Icelandic Institute of Archaeology, where they examine ancient Viking manuscripts and artifacts. These texts, passed down through generations, contain detailed accounts of Viking voyages, navigation techniques, and even tales of buried treasure. One particular manuscript, known as the Saga of the Greenlanders, has piqued the team's interest. This ancient text describes a Viking expedition to a place called Vinland, believed to be located somewhere on the coast of North America. The Fellowship's Icelandic adventure is a testament to their dedication to leaving no stone unturned in their quest for answers. Section 5. Technology and the Hunt for Treasure. In the ongoing saga of Oak Island, technology has become an indispensable ally in the Fellowship's quest for the truth. Armed with cutting-edge tools and techniques, they are able to probe deeper, see clearer, and analyze more effectively than ever before. Ground-penetrating radar, or GPR, has emerged as a game-changer, allowing the team to peer beneath the island's surface without disturbing the delicate historical context. GPR works by sending radio waves into the ground and measuring the reflections that bounce back. These reflections create detailed images of what lies below, revealing anomalies, voids, and potential buried structures. Another technological marvel that has revolutionized the Oak Island hunt is remote-operated vehicles, or ROVs. These underwater drones, equipped with high-definition cameras and powerful lights, allow the team to explore the depths of the island's surrounding waters. This multidisciplinary approach, combining traditional archaeological methods with cutting-edge technology, has proven to be highly effective in uncovering new clues and refining existing theories. Section 6. Uncovering history at Smith's Cove. While the Money Pit remains the epicenter of the Oak Island mystery, another location on the island has been yielding its own share of intriguing discoveries: Smith's Cove. This secluded cove, located on the island's eastern shore, has long been suspected of holding clues to the island's past. Recent excavations have proven these suspicions to be well-founded. The Fellowship's work at Smith's Cove has focused on uncovering evidence of early human activity. Their efforts have been rewarded with the discovery of numerous artifacts, including pottery shards, tools, and even human remains. One particularly significant discovery at Smith's Cove was a series of wooden structures believed to be the remains of wharves or jetties. These structures, radiocarbon dated to the 16th century, suggest that Smith's Cove was once a bustling harbor, possibly used by early explorers or even pirates. The discoveries at Smith's Cove add another layer of complexity to the Oak Island mystery. Section 7. The Fellowship's Future. As another chapter in the Oak Island saga draws to a close, the Fellowship of the Dig finds itself at a crossroads. They have made remarkable discoveries, unearthed tantalizing clues, and pushed the boundaries of our understanding of this enigmatic island. But the ultimate prize, the solution to the Oak Island mystery, remains elusive. The Fellowship's dedication to unraveling the island's secrets is unwavering. They are already planning their next moves, analyzing the data collected this season, and formulating new strategies for the challenges that lie ahead. The search for the Oak Island treasure is a marathon, not a sprint, and the Fellowship is in it for the long haul. Their future plans include expanding their search to new areas of the island, utilizing even more advanced technology, and collaborating with experts from various fields. They are determined to leave no stone unturned, no theory unexplored, and no possibility ignored. The truth, whatever it may be, is out there, and the Fellowship will not rest until they find it. Section 8. The Lure of the Unknown. What is it about Oak Island that continues to captivate our imaginations? Why are we so drawn to its mysteries, its legends, and its enduring promise of hidden treasure? Oak Island is a blank canvas upon which we can project our hopes, our dreams, and our fascination with the past. It is a place where logic and reason collide with the supernatural and the unexplained. The human spirit is hardwired for exploration, for pushing the boundaries of what we know and venturing into the unknown. Oak Island represents the ultimate challenge, a puzzle that has baffled generations of treasure hunters, historians, and adventurers. Section 9. Oak Island's Enduring Mystery. The mystery of Oak Island is a tapestry woven from countless threads: pirate legends, Templar secrets, coded messages, and unexplained phenomena. It is a puzzle that has challenged some of the greatest minds of our time, yet it remains unsolved. But perhaps that is precisely what makes it so compelling. The island's enduring mystery is a testament to the power of the unknown. It is a reminder that we do not have all the answers, that there are still forces at work in this world that we do not fully understand. Oak Island is a place where anything is possible, where the boundaries of reality seem to blur, and where the line between fact and fiction becomes tantalizingly thin. For centuries, people have been trying to make sense of Oak Island, to fit its mysteries into neat and tidy boxes. Section 10. A Legacy of Exploration. The search for the Oak Island treasure has left an indelible mark on the island and its surrounding waters. Over the centuries, countless expeditions have come and gone, each leaving behind its own legacy of exploration, innovation, and sadly, sometimes even tragedy. The island is dotted with the remnants of past expeditions, abandoned shafts, flooded tunnels, and the ever-present legend of the Money Pit. These physical scars are a testament to the human desire to unlock Oak Island's secrets, to conquer its challenges, and to claim its elusive prize. It is a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, we are driven to explore, to discover, and to push the boundaries of what we know. Section 11. What lies ahead? As we look to the future of Oak Island, one question looms large. What lies ahead? Will the island's secrets finally be revealed? Will the treasure, if it exists, ever be found? But one thing is certain, the lure of Oak Island is as strong as ever. New technologies, fresh perspectives, and a new generation of explorers are all converging on the island, determined to finally crack the code and solve the puzzle that has captivated the world for centuries. The adventure continues. The island beckons, whispering its secrets on the wind, inviting us to unravel its mysteries and discover the truth that lies hidden beneath its surface. Will you answer the call?